Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be installing my crochet braids. So for this style I used Sensational Synthetic Hair Crochet Braids African Collection Jamaican Bounce in 26 inches. So as you can see, I have 11 cornrows going down, and then I connected them in the back. A mess, I know. And I used 3 packs, all full 3 packs of this hair, and it took me 3 hours, 1.5 hours to do my cornrows, and the other half an hour to install the hair. This hair is really easy to install, and I didn't have any problems whatsoever. It's synthetic hair, so of course it's not the perfect hair, but I didn't have any issues with it. So I split the hair in 2 at the back, and then I split the hair in 2 in the front. So the color that I used is T1B30, and this color is like an ombre color, which I really love. It's like 1B, and then at the roots, and then it turns into like a blonde, a honey brown blonde. I don't know what color exactly it is, but yeah, I just think it's so pretty. And like I said, I used 3 packs of the hair, and you don't have to use 3 packs. You can use just 2 packs. I think that would be enough, even 2.5, but it just depends on how much you want, and I wanted it that big, that's why I used that much. And I ended up like cutting it and shaping it to my liking because it was just so much hair. But like I said, it's all about what you prefer. So okay, that's the finished look. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.